I knew you would. Oh, this is cool. Yeah,
It's a game, right?
Ziki. I knew I would get it.
A superhero?
No, Reedy, you can have my little. Open it up. Oh!
Reedy likes to watch what you guys are getting too.
Reedy, did you see what you got?
Open up
Reedy,
yours.
open what you got.
When you're the third child, you know you're going to share with the other two anyway. So you're like, what'd you get? What'd you get?
What'd you get, bud? Yeah, Zeke, you were right. Uncle Mike saw those and said that's what he had to buy for you.
What'd you get, buddy?
Here, wait, here, Zeke. Oh, here.
Oh, I always wanted this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. A Spider-Man to play with.
Here,
I
here, here,
know. See, I would give this to myself.
Well,
Okay,
Uncle Mike gave it to you. What do you say?
Thank you, Uncle Mike.
Oh, that's nice, buddy.
What do you guys say?
Uncle Mike.
Here,
Wow,
here,
there's
back.
actually a
It should
plan
have the
for
batteries.
Ziggy.
Do you want me to
What?
explain it to you, Semi?
What's that?
A little bit? This is called Operation.
Oh,
You're the doctor,
I know.
and you gotta,
Oh, I
and
love this
you're trying
game.
not to hit those things. Wait a minute, the battery should be included. Oh, nope, required. Okay, we'll go get some.
Oh, I love that game.
But it's not